We apologise for the sudden interruption. This is an emergency alert message. All broadcasting has been interrupted. Please stand by for the alert message. We are sorry to announce that a Category 5 hurricane is expected to arrive within the next few hours and move across the United Kingdom. Sustained winds are forecast to exceed 160 miles per hour. The system is expected to affect all regions as it progresses inland. Conditions will deteriorate rapidly. Severe flooding and widespread structural damage are expected. Evacuation is no longer advised. Shelter in place immediately. Follow these instructions. Secure windows and exterior doors. Move to the strongest interior room of your home. Stay away from all exterior walls. Shut off gas, electricity and water mains if it is safe to do so. Floodwaters may rise with little warning. Do not attempt to walk or drive through them. We cannot stress this enough. Remain indoors. Flying debris can result in serious injury or death. The eye of the storm may bring a temporary period of calm. This does not indicate the storm has passed. Winds will return suddenly and with greater force. If your structure begins to fail, seek shelter beneath heavy furniture. Cover yourself to reduce injury from glass and debris. Do not use candles or open flames. Gas leaks are likely. Emergency services may be delayed or unavailable. Her Majesty Elizabeth II has been moved to a secure location and is sheltering in place in accordance with this guidance. This message is not a drill. Remain calm. Stay indoors. Updates will be provided on this channel when available. Your safety depends on remaining inside. This is an emergency update for the United Kingdom. The hurricane has been severely underestimated. Wind speeds are exceeding all forecasts. Structural failure is now widespread. Survival outdoors is not possible. I repeat, survival outdoors is not possible. Anyone caught outside will be killed instantly. Failure to comply with shelter instructions will result in death. We cannot stress this enough. Shelter immediately. Remain inside. Move to the strongest interior space available. If any of your loved ones haven't returned from outside, don't go out to look for them, as it will result in death. Exposure to wind, debris or floodwaters will result in serious injury or death. This situation is no longer controllable. Shelter immediately. This is not a drill. Failure to comply with shelter instructions will result in death. This message will not be repeated.